Digitspin crypto.
All right, and so talking about making ETN more useful, any news on any type of new off-ramps for the rest of us? Not only, the Southern Hemisphere, us Northern Hemisphere folks like to use our Electroneum also.
Again, the answer is yes, but I can't even begin to hint who it is. But I'm hoping for something again that these things, they come up. I have the meeting, and the team have the meeting, and it all sounds like everything's awesome. And sometimes they come off, and sometimes they don't. We have one that is a massive deal, and they like us, and we love them. And the symbiosis is fantastic because we've got a huge user number base, and I think everything works on paper. There's no reason why they shouldn't go ahead. But that being said, it hasn't got across the lawyers' desks yet, and they have a way of destroying a good idea. So I don't want to hint at it too much. But yeah, look, we've got the answer is yes. Fiat ramps, other ramps, all sorts of ramps. We're dead keen to get into, because the more utility there is in ETN, so i.e. the more easily you can utilize it and use it in everyday life, the better. That's what the project is for. That's what we're trying to do.